best thing to do is tell you how not to repair a pitch mark first, okay? Because a lot of golfers will do this, is they'll get down and they'll put the pitch mark repair in and lift it back and lift up the actual surface, which is not what we want to do. Because if you think about how a pitch mark's been made, the ball has impacted the surface and pushed all the grass back. So we want to try and get that grass back into where that mark is.
Okay, so don't do that. I know I've done that before, so yeah, I've told off already. Exactly how should we do it then? What's the correct way to do it?
The correct way is you put the pitch mark repairer in at 45-degree angle behind the actual pitch mark itself, and then you push it forwards. So you push the grass back into the centre of the hole and work your way around the pitch mark until you filled it all in, and then tap it down with your putter or your foot.
And do you need, I mean, you've used a pitch mark repairer tool here. Can you use a tee? Can you, I mean, what do you advise? Either or, doesn't matter.
You can use a tee. Pitch mark repairers are, I mean,